First, we wish to thank Baldylox Designs for supplying this and 2 other 3D printed and scale models as samples for us to paint with our new specially designed line of 3D printed and cast resin colors and undercoats. Baldylox Designs 3D printed and scale farm tractor is being prepared for painting by carefully removing all of the support structures. After discussing what is the proper procedure for doing this with Bruce Isaacs, the owner of Baldylox Designs, I begin the build by using a sprue cutter and cut the supports from the bottom of the tractor. Cut away as much of the supports as possible. Now, slowly push what is remaining of the supports off the tractor. Note, as with most 3D printed parts and models, if the supports are present, the point of contact of the support with the model is a very tiny area, which should come off cleanly and need little or no sanding. Repeat the process with the 2 front and rear wheel support holders and cut the supports off these wheels. Note, they supplied 4 wheels each, but only 2 each will be used for the tractor. The support part of contact seems to be thicker than what it was used on the tractor, and some light sanding will be required. I used a 180 grit sanding stick to lightly sand the support spikes off the wheels. I did all 8 wheels the same way. TCP 433 matte black is being sprayed on all 8 wheels using a Vega 2000 airbrush fitted with a 0.3 millimeter or medium tip at 28 to 30 psi. Note, I messed up the video showing the first side, so you see the second side done here. TCP 9067 BN Cascade Green from our new line of paints is being sprayed on the top side of the farm tractor using a Vega 2000 airbrush using the same technique as before. Then the underside is painted in the same way. Since I have observed most farm tractors have yellow hubs on the wheels, I am hand painting TCP 850 flat safety yellow on the hubs. Again, all 8 wheels were done, and also I only did the outer side of the wheels. Note, I did not disturb the matte black already painted on those wheels. TCP 805 flat black is being hand painted on the front grille of the tractor. Again, notice none of the 3D version of the BN Cascade Green came off. TCP 412 matte steel is hand painted onto the exhaust system of the tractor. Cement the front and rear wheels on one side of the tractor. I use CA for this process to ensure a good bond of the painted components. Set aside a few minutes to allow the adhesive to cure. Repeat the process for the wheels on the other side. The Baldylox Designs 3D printed N-scale farm tractor is presented for your viewing pleasure. Note that I place 4 dots of TCP 800 flat white on the front of the tractor near the top to represent the lights being on. The Baldylox Designs N-scale tractor was a pleasure to build and paint, and I wholeheartedly recommend their N-scale products. If you have any questions about techniques explored in this video, or general questions about this build, please post your questions in the comments section below.